Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Saturday, April 13th, 2019, and this is my newest segment of Markets A Look Ahead. Let's talk and try to gain some perspective on how we, Lions especially, can take advantage of what's coming this week, more than likely, and I'm going to explain what I'm talking about, what we're going to hear, more than likely, again, and try to, again, put a perspective on it. What do we know is going on right now? Well, it's earnings season. If Friday, just yesterday, was any inkling about what we can expect, financials and energy, the two largest sectors of this market, appear to be ready to gain. So what does that mean? Because of the size of these two sectors, if they gain, which I believe they are this week, it's going to pull the whole market with it. Now, if you notice, last week I did not enter a single position trading. If you follow me on Facebook or Twitter, I post my positions. I did not trade at all. I had neutral posted on my website, traderschoice.net. Again, when I put neutral in that upper right-hand corner, it doesn't mean there's no opportunities out here. But so far, if you've been paying attention to my calls, bearish, bullish, neutral, they've been more or less correct. So with that said, again, it should seem to you at least, that I am bullish here coming into next week. Look, earnings don't matter here. From the other sectors, really for the most part, energy and the financial sectors are enough to pull the market higher here. There's a lot of talk about earnings coming in bad, numbers are going to be ugly. We hear this all the time, and by some miracle, these companies make their numbers. Sounds like Enron. You remember that? I'm being serious. So that's what we can expect. Now, I also believe we're going to hear more gleeful talk with regard to some kind of a China trade deal. We are getting cremated in the trade war, unless you are brain dead. And I did the math for you. It's very simple. Yeah, sure, we're getting $200 billion in tariff money from China, but we're losing 3 times that because of the trade gap. You will not hear this. As far as I'm concerned, it's a lie by omission, and I hate lies. You all know that. So it should be very straightforward. I also believe we're going to hear more about a possible rate cut coming down the pike, more talk about easy money, quantitative easing. All of this is bullish. Unless we get some kind of a black swan event starting Monday in this market, you can expect the stocks to gain. I personally am looking at several positions. I will post these, again, in real time on Facebook, on Twitter, if you want to follow along with me. So I think that pretty much sets the stage here for everything. It's all about the bucks. So forget about anything else. Don't fall into the, I'm looking over here because you're telling me to, but you really should be looking over here. Let's just figure out what we got to do to capitalize on the situation. That's the bottom line here. Honestly, what else matters? If the powers that be, and you know who they are capitalizing on this market, well, why can't we? Not only can we, but we're going to do it even better. It's the truth. We know what they're going to do before they do it. It's just that simple. It's so rigged. It is so fake that the rigging and the fakery, they're our strength. I think you know that. All right, so with that said, let's see how this plays out. I'm bullish going into next week. Let's see if I'm right or wrong. This guy here loves you, and I will see you on Monday morning.